Alright guys, so we're gonna do a poll. In the 2021 Sonata. 0 to 60. 0 to 100. Ready guys?
3.
Come on, let's put the mode up. 1, 2, 3. That's about as high as I can get it up. The road is not long enough.
Comfy ride or what?
Yeah.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah, it's pretty good, but it's not fast. So, like, to be 100% honest with the viewers watching, this car is not a car you want to buy if you're trying to be fast. This is like a mother taking the kids to soccer practice car.
That ass.
You know?
Yeah, for real.
Like, this car is not quick, yo.
It's got all the luxuries. It's, you know, it's comfortable, but it's not fast.
Yeah, it holds the back.
Chill car.
Yeah, yeah. CVT, yeah.
What do you got to say about that?
I don't know. I'm not a fan of the way it switches gears, but I mean, what do you
It's
want,
not even
right?
real gears.
It's like a
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not real gears.
Yeah, with the limiter on there, you can't go past 4,000. Yeah, and just see, guys, this is where you change the drive mode. So I'll just put it back to normal because we're not doing anything crazy in this car. It's
Not winning any races.
no, it's a grocery getter.
Still spin the tires though.
Yeah, yeah, you can. That was all the way down too. You could hear it when I almost put it through the fucking bottom.
It's got a click down there.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, what do you expect for a 1.6 turbo though, you know? But how do you feel? You see a lot of cars.
Yeah, this engine's fine in the Veloster with a tune.
With a tune, yeah.
But stock in the Sonata, no.
You guys can see it's got the park and hold, so when you stop, oh, it's off now. So when you stop, it holds the
It's gonna be on the right here, where this green pole is.
oh, okay. See, it's got telling me someone was there.
Oh, fucking.
I knew someone was there, but I'm just saying. A little bit of pull. It's like it. Yeah, it's like everything it's got though, you know.
Yeah.
It's fine for what it is.
Yeah, yeah, definitely is. It's more than enough for.
They didn't have the 2.51, huh?
No, not yet.
Well, that one would burn the fucking wheels even more, I think, because they don't come all-wheel drive.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, final thoughts, Darius, Fig, what's the final
7 out of
thoughts?
10.
7?
That was your time.
Man, solid family car, man.
Solid family car, yeah. Not quick, but quick enough if you just...
I will still take a Camry or an Accord.
There you guys have it. Alright guys, 2021 Hyundai Sonata 1.6 turbo. Peace.